Unity above all, the power of togetherness in language. Hello, language enthusiasts. In today's video, we'll explore the profound phrase, unity above all. This expression isn't just a group of words. It embodies a powerful message that transcends language barriers. So, let's dive deep and unfold the layers of meaning behind this compelling phrase. The phrase, unity above all, packs a significant punch in just 3 words. At its core, it emphasizes that unity or togetherness is of paramount importance, more critical than any other consideration. It's a call to prioritize collective harmony and collaboration over individual needs or differences. In this section, we'll dissect each word and understand its contribution to the overarching message of the phrase. Expressions like unity above all often carry historical and cultural weight, echoing sentiments from pivotal moments in history or reflecting a society's core values. This section will explore the origins of the phrase and instances where it has been a rallying cry or a guiding principle, shedding light on its profound impact in various contexts. While the phrase may sound formal or lofty, its applications are far-reaching and practical. Here, we'll discuss how unity above all can be a guiding principle in everyday interactions, community building, and conflict resolution. We'll provide examples of how prioritizing unity can lead to positive outcomes in personal, professional, and societal scenarios. In our journey through the phrase, unity above all, we've uncovered its layers of meaning, historical significance, and practical applications. It's more than just words. It's a powerful mantra that reminds us of the strength found in unity and togetherness. We hope this exploration inspires you to reflect on the value of unity in your own life and community. Thank you for joining us, and may your language learning journey continue to bring people and hearts together.